It works. I got the 3M. This is the $40 version, or you can buy the $9 cheap version. This is the $40 one. Right up. Let me get the. Obviously, I'll have to buff this out, but there's going to be a spoil over it, so it's not as critical. But it just eats it adhesive up. Watch how it chews through this heavy stuff. All right, just put down the thing of polish. Hit it with the red, which is like a fine polish. Blue is like first stage of polish. I got the Sparta pads. Pretty good. And here it is.